Now to new developments in the crisis at our southern border. The number of migrants crossing in El Paso, Texas, has actually gone down in recent days, but there are continued fears of a huge spike in the days ahead because of a pandemic-era immigration policy that could soon expire perhaps as early as midnight tonight, all that despite a temporary hold on the rule from the Supreme Court. Omar Villafrana has more now from El Paso, which is under a state of emergency.
The border has spilled over into El Paso, where thousands of migrants seeking asylum are overwhelming shelters.
Have you ever seen it like this?
No.
John Martin runs an El Paso homeless shelter that is mostly filled with migrants. Capacity is 120, but to avoid the freezing temperatures earlier this week, more than 230 people packed the rooms and hallways.
We're simply running out of food.
Many of the migrants are from Nicaragua or Venezuela, like Miliani and her 2-year-old son Mila. They've slept in the shelter for the past 3 days.
What do you want to do here? Do you worry that this city and this county will reach a breaking point?
Well, I don't know if there's such a thing as a breaking point because you have no choice.
Judge Ricardo Samaniego is the top elected official in El Paso County. He says El Pasoans are doing their best to feed, clothe, and bus hundreds of migrants every day to cities like Phoenix, San Antonio, and New York, like 32-year-old Yasmin Hernandez and her 7-month-old son Liam from Guatemala.
¿De dónde? A Denver.
They're heading to Denver once she gets enough money for a bus ticket. She wants to find an office job in Colorado and save enough money to bring the rest of her family to the U.S. The White House is asking for billions of dollars to help move migrants to additional facilities or remove them if warranted. But El Paso's mayor says that's a long-term solution for a very immediate problem.
At the end of the day, this is strictly a Band-Aid for something that's bigger than El Paso, because we can't continue to go at this rate.
The number of migrants coming to El Paso has dropped from about 2,500 a day earlier this month to about 1,300 on Monday. But still, the El Paso mayor is asking for help from the National Guard, and they are on standby. Gayle?
Omar, thank you.